Hello, Buck Domino and Domino community. This is Leslie, and I'd like to submit a video for the leadership board at Buck Domino. So let's go take a look, see what we got. Okay, so what we have here is the category Lightning Run or Sonomod Run, subcategory Mini Dominoes. I have 300 set up here. There is no rhyme or reason to my design. I just doing whatever. And so I have, like I said, I think I said 300 set up here. And so I'm going to pull out the gray one that is not counted in the Sonomod run. And hopefully this whole thing will fall. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3. Oh man. So out of 300 we gotta subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, alright. 300 minus 14 is what? 86. So 286. Thank you for your consideration.